Hello friends and hello student. In this session we can learn the triangle different type of shape in C language and also pyramid we can check. And now I just share my laptop screen and here fix the position and here turbo C++ is there and I just double click and take some time and now is open. Yes, and Alt F file menu, taking new file, and here write a program to print uh, triangle as following. Yes, so that our we can print. Yes, I first write one, then one and two in second row, and that is one, two and three. One blank page we have to provide. So that is a n number of time, one, two, three, four and up to five. Four here, four, that is a fourth row. So that is a first row, so the one element, and second row two element, three, that is a for our row, that element is a print. So in the triangle, pyramid, all shape or series pattern program, we can use the for loop because we have know the starting and ending how many. Here that is a triangle shape, we can judgment in the number of row, that is our take from user. So here I just remove, that is a we can say the definition of program. So I just remaining first three and I give the multi comment line. So just for your reference, and that is your, you can say that now up to n number of. Okay, so I just close here. I comment line slash asterisk and asterisk slash. So for your reference, so that is our just print first, and then we can print different type of triangle. So now I can start header file link section stdio.h and next conio console input output.h. Yes, and then so here main, and here we can take some variable integer at our iteration I, that is a loop variable, and then number of row n variable, and then you can take also j as a second nested for loop. So here initially require only three variable. Yes, next we can, yes, and we can take the number of row from user. So enter number of rows. Yes, and that is we can scan the n variable, or you can also take the r variable, row for r first letter, but we can use here n number of terms or number of row. Terms word used in the series program and row word used in the triangle pattern or pyramid program. Okay, so here we can take the for loop, that is now I equal to 1. Yes, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. So that is a outer loop, that is a 2 for loop, then now is inner. So nested for loop, we can take the logic. So here we can initially assign to our like 1. Yes, so and j less than or equal to I, and then j plus plus also, and then only one printf statement in a loop. So we cannot provide the opening closing brace and percentage d and one blank space, and then you can print the j variable. And then in outer for loop, here that statement is outer for loop. So here I write, because you can here write that, meaning that the outer for loop statement I tab, so that statement is a inner and only one statement, so we cannot provide the opening closing. But that statement as alignment of that left justification of that for angle, and you can habit of this pattern, because you can understand if any error in program you can easily find out. Okay, so here we provide slash n, and then now that is a get ch is remaining. Yes, and now I first save this file over, and that we can say that triangle and different we can take shape different. Okay, triangle, so you cannot identify a triangle different shape. So dot c is a extension of that file. So now we can, I compile first. Yes, any error? No. So no warning, no error, and our try underscore different exe is file generated executable file. And now let us print, yes, any, or we can check our both loop. If any mistake is there, we can first solve and then we can go in the take output. There is no any error, but we can take some error or condition because that is a nested for loop. So if you not watch your proper error, then infinite loop is coming sometime. So that we can watch. Yes. So yes, that our goal 1 1 2 1 2 3. Yes, that is a, we can print a perfect way to our first triangle shape. So that is a triangle shape, like our three parts triangle. You have to know very what is a triangle shape. Okay. So now I can change our definition, not only this shape. Write a program to print different. You can share that shape of triangle, not following only. We cannot limit this following or triangle. We have to print. So I just remove this triangle, and yes, that is different. I just single comment line now. Okay, so you can, now you can understand all shape of triangle, different shape of triangle. So we can now, how that is a, we can print that triangle. Okay, now I take this triangle into middle of the screen. So I just here write as a board work. So our row and column of our monitor screen, that is a like number of we can say that um, first we can take the row 0 to 24. I think here, yes, 0, that is a number of rows, yes, in our monitor screen. And 0 2, here I can word also 2, so you can just understand that is just word work. I can remove this whole part. So here we can say that up to 80, but here start with 0, so we can provide the 79, and that is a column. And here row is a actually 0 to 24, means that is 25 exactly, this because start index is 0. So our row is a 25 in our monitor screen, and the column is a 80 column. We can say that 80 column. So just for your reference, that is our default screen resolution. You can say that that is known as a resolution. If you in your window you have to change, that is a different manner, but here we can, that is a default setting. 0 to 25 means 25 24 which 0 is start, so 25 is row and 80 is a column. So I just remove, that is just for reference. So how we can print the middle of, that is a very important. So I here take the one variable, and that is a sp, because s is a like sometime pi or digit value. So I give the sp space. Okay, and here inner for loop I take next inner for loop, and here sp is initialized to I, then sp less than or equal to 40, yes, or equal to not equal to, because we can start directly 1. So here equal to, because that is 80 column, we go to 39 column. So that is that part is start our middle screen. Okay, and then spi just plus plus, and here we can provide one only statement, and that is a blank. Can provide the blank. So what happened? Yes, let us check how our pyramid print in the center of this loop, taking every position, that is 80 uh, column in between 39 column shift, because that is a middle screen. 80 column is total column of our resolution, our monitor screen. So we can go in 39. Yes, so let us check how it's so I, we can assign I, not 1, because I is a 1, then that element number of time print, like here our pyramid print, then first element. So I plus plus, that in 2, so 2 digit 1 and 2, so that is also possible. So yes, I save, yes, and let us check that they print our triangle in middle part of the screen or not. So yes, look, and here is a shape is a pyramid, like triangle is gone, and we can say that that is a pyramid. So why it's pyramid? Yes, let us check here. Here I just remove this blank here, and let us check how it's print now. Yes, let us check. Yes. Okay. Good question. Yes. Now is printed. Yes, every element in the like 1 1 2, and that also possible we can print in the uh, that here I just assign to 1. So what happened? Let us check. That is also testing. So now that is print that first print the left side, now is print the right side. Yes, so we can say that different type of shape of pyramid. And then how here I give one blank page, what happened? Yes, now yes, that is a print one blank in between. There is not a shape in the triangle to pyramid. And if here I assign the I in first our base loop, so here I provide the I again. So what happened? Yes, so our triangle shape is now pyramid. Yes, so that is a different, we can convert our triangle to pyramid shape. Yes, so very interesting thing in now happen. So here I just remaining the 1, and now I change this next for loop and print in reverse order. So here I assign to like directly we can assign to uh, n. Okay, so what happened? Yes, now I just change this thing. Okay, now what is a we can less than of I. Yes, then I plus plus is there. So our loop is print in reverse order. Okay, so let us check how it print. I think it's, so only 5 is there. So what if we can change in our loop? So here we can change greater than or equal to 1, and here we can minus minus, not plus plus. So now let us check what happened. Yes, so all is 5 to 1. So that is like pattern, but that is not proper. All are print. Now we can restrict our loop, and that is I again change the condition and up to I. Yes. So what happened now? Yes, let us check. That I is 1. So let us check. Now is perfect cover. Yes, so that is a reverse order. 5 4 3 2 1. Yes, and 5 4 3 2. Yes, that is also. And if we convert this triangle to pyramid, so let us I and change this loop. I provide the I, and yes, there is no any change is required, and here blank page is there. So let us check how it print. Yes, so that is a sometime disturb. So we can also here one remove this blank. Yes, so what happened? Yes, I remove this blank and now print. So that is a like we can all is some disturbance, so we can assign to our variable exactly here, not I, but we can assign n. So what happened? Let us check. That is a also interesting point. So now is perfect. Yes, so look, and also we can print in the triangle shape. Yes, so all are here. I just blank page, yes, provide here. And now let us check how it prints. So now that is shape is a one blank page is included. Okay, so that is a so many technique you can print your triangle to pyramid and pyramid to triangle shape. Okay, so here now I again give the I, and let us check what happened. So yes, so that is disturbed, not the perfect way. Yes, and now we can testing so many things, and here I initially give the and up to 1. So I is not give. Yes, up to 1, and all are printed, but here we can change also assign to I. Okay, and then minus minus. So what happened? Yes, now let us check. I is plus, we cannot assign to n, j equal to I, j is greater than 1, and j minus minus. Okay, and let us check how it possible. So that is again our previously shape, but that print in different way. 1 2 1 3. Yes, I first shape in the change this blank, so you can understand. Or here I can provide directly 1, not I, so you can understand very well. So let us check now. So that is a first we can print 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 2 3, and now 1 2 1 3 2 1. So that is reverse order. Okay, And if you print the like first initially 1, so all are 1 in first position, so here we can again assign to 1, and now that condition is previously I, so that is a, and also plus plus, otherwise that is infinite loop, so that is a very important, otherwise that loop is infinite. So that is a now our correct order. Okay, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, yes. And also I like last testing, so here I just previously assigned to I, and now, yes, so what is a shape? Yes, so that is a again our pyramid shape. So yes, so many testing we can apply. Yes, so that is also reverse order, and also I further assign to that I and greater than or equal to 1, and then here I j minus minus. So what happened? Yes, let us check. Yes, I. So that is again 1 2 1 3 2 1 4. Yes, so you can apply so many testing. So here we can, that is a, that a very important loop, and you can all are well. And also here we can outer loop change. Here I give the n, and here I condition change, then what happen? Yes, here I give n, I greater than equal to 1, and here I minus minus, and then we can take as it is. Here we cannot change, so let us what happen, that is also important. So outer loop we have to change. So that is like reverse order, 5 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1, all are reverse order. So that is a new shape. So we can test like 6 different type of shape, and if we provide here previously 1, yes, I also check 1 in page, so that is shape is like exactly we can say that triangle. Okay, so that is also testing point in this triangle pyramid. So different type of triangle, and we can also print the pyramid and triangle. Okay, so pyramid also we can print same. So that is also, and here now I assign to like here we assign again 1, and now our condition we can check to I, and then I plus plus that outer loop. Now we can our previous reverse order. So then what happened? Let us check. So here we can assign to let us 1 and I less than and j plus plus. Okay. So that is also checking point. Yes. So let how it's printed. Now I think let us check. Yes. So that is in a like previously our order, but order is reverse. 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 1 3, that, and also I again converting this I give here I and one blank page, so that triangle converting the pyramid. So yes, that also happens. So many things you have to I think learn, and so many I different like 6 pattern I remove. So previously we can just change our two inner loop first order. Okay, so these two loop, and now last time we can here outer loop we have to change the sequence. So number of term, that like first row print the 5 element, because we have to testing only 5. You can give any number of rows, there is no limitation. Here I give the like 7, so that type 7 up to 7 is printed. And if you not understand very well, so I just shape in the triangle, not pyramid, so you can understand exactly. So I give the 10, so up to 10 is printed, no limitation is there. So that is controlled for your, so 1 to 10 first reverse order, and now all we can testing, and now we can convert in our original form. I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus, our first loop can change. And here we can also change that j equal to I, j less than equal to I, and j plus plus. Okay, yes, that is perfect. And here we can provide the like I, yes. So let us check all we can convert in our previous way. So any remaining change, that is a difficulty, that is infinite loop. So let us check. Yes, so yes, we can change not condition if here. So here we can provide the 1, not I. Yes, so that is not printed perfectly. So now let us check. Yes, so and that is a pyramid, but we can now I convert in the triangle shape last time. Yes, so yes, I give assign 1. Yes, and let us check. Yes, so that is yes, perfect. So I think you can hope understanding this what is thing. Yes, so triangle and pyramid shape. Okay, so I close this session. So many we have to testing. So how to convert your triangle to pyramid and pyramid to triangle. So many things you have to learn. So I close this. You can write this program in your note, and I close this session. Alter F3 function key and Alter X quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok CJL Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, subscribing, and sharing my video lecture. And any question for any definition of that C or any programming, that write in comment section. I give the definitely answer to you. And thanks again. And Hare Krishna.